I'm Lily. And I'm Shalane. And today we're filming a day in the life video at the Danforth location for Codezilla with our mascot, Cody. Cody is going to go inside and he's going to work on some code and some science with all of our kids, and it's going to be super fun. Here at Codezilla, we have 4 different locations to learn science and code for kids aged 5 to 14.
And today the kids are doing bolt making and scratching.
Yeah, so let's head inside.
Doing? Who here knows what YouTube is? Who here knows how to film a YouTube video?
No.
Do you guys want to be in a YouTube video with a dinosaur?
Yeah!
Hello?
Yeah!
Okay, that's the kind of energy we need. Who's excited for the dinosaur?
No!
3, 2, 1. Tell me, what's your name?
Xander?
And what are you making today?
Snap secrets?
Let's go on. Show us how you do it.
Snap okay. I'm gonna destroy your work.
Is that a resistor?
Yeah.
What's the ohm? It is a 100 ohm resistor. Finally, the moment has arrived where we are gonna introduce our Codezilla Dino. Behind the scene moments. The kids are waiting inside and they are really excited to see you. Let's go.
I'm excited to see them.
Are you excited to see them?
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's go. Ooh, look at that. Kids, are you ready? Ready to see a magic? Ta-da! I ate my hands. That's so funny.
The dinosaur's friendly. He's not gonna be